Tips for Your Tips Tuesday. I'm here to help you with all your hand and foot care needs. So let's talk about your heel care. I highly encourage you not to use cheese grater looking foot files on your heels at all. I encourage you to use smoothers and refiners to treat your heels, whether they are high in callus or not. You want to make sure that you are using something that's going to smooth and refine. When you use cheese graters or Credo blades or any type of sharp object on the bottom of your heels, since your body was made to heal itself, it says, oh, she or he is cut, let's grow back thicker to protect them. So over time, your heels are getting thicker, the callus areas are getting thicker because you're cutting as opposed to smoothing and refining and moisturizing. Check out paintedpolished.com and our store, and you can order a foot file to make sure that you have the proper tools and moisturizers that you need. I also have a foot care kit there as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can send an email to the email listed below. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for sharing.